Hello, to testprint a thermal printer, an Epson thermal printer. Locate the power plug and plug it into the power socket on the printer. Here is the power socket at the back of the printer. I am going to plug it in. Then when that is done, the next thing I'm going to do is to locate the power switch. This is the power switch is in the front of the printer, and the next thing I'm going to do is to locate the paper feed button. Then I'm going to open the printer and load the paper roll into the printer. Alright, so the paper roll is loaded into the printer. Now I'm going to hold the paper feed button, and then I'm going to switch on the printer, and it's going to print out the test page. You can see the test page is printed out. I'm going to do it one more time for clarity's sake. The first thing I'm going to do is to hold the paper feed button, switch off the printer if it's on, hold the paper feed button, and then switch on the printer. It will automatically print out the test page. You can see the test page is printed out. So thank you, and I'll see you some other time. Take care.